Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your active status on Instagram, if it's hidden or not, and also if you want to turn it on or off. In today's tutorial, I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. Select the hamburger icon now in the top right, and then go scroll down underneath where it says messages and story replies. And then where it says show activity status, go ahead and select that. So this will display what your current activity status is. So allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. You can continue to use our services if active status is off. So if you want to enable activity status, you click inside the oval to turn it on. Conversely, if you want to disable it, just click inside it one more time until it's grayed out. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.